Hi folks, my name is Jackie Alpers, and today I'm going to make you my Sonoran style Mexican shrimp cocktail. And what's different about my version is that I use a pre-packaged Bloody Mary mix. I like this Trader Joe's version, and that I doctored up a little bit. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of Bloody Mary mix. I shook up. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of clam juice. Clam juice is available at most grocery stores. Then I am going to, first I'm going to layer some of my vegetables into this parfait glass. This is like the kind of parfait glass that you would see at like an old milkshake shop. And it's perfect for this. I have about 1/4 cup of chopped cucumber, about 2 tablespoons of chopped red onion, about 1/4 pound of these nice shrimp that I'm just gonna layer there on top. And I'm gonna save one for a garnish. I'm gonna model this after the shrimp cocktail that I used to eat when I was a kid in Ohio, where there'd be like this tomato cocktail sauce and the shrimp on top of like a bowl of ice, and then the shrimp would be all around the outside. So I'm going to garnish this with some shrimp as a callback to that a little bit. Next, I'm going to pour in my Bloody Mary mix to fill. Next, I have a 1/2 of an avocado that I've cut up, and I'm going to squeeze some lime juice on there so that it doesn't turn brown. And I'm going to pile that in on top. Garnish with a shrimp to make it pretty. Then I'm going to garnish it with some fresh cilantro. Pile. However much you like, I like a lot. It looks pretty. This is my favorite hot sauce for Mexican seafood cocktails, but there's so many wonderful hot sauces on the market. Just, I'd say, try different ones and see which one you like the best. This is my favorite. It's kind of hard to get out. I like lots of it. That's it. Enjoy. Oh, and get my cookbook, Taste of Tucson. This is from my book, Taste of Tucson, Sonoran style recipes, inspired by the rich culture of Southern Arizona. Available wherever books are sold. Thanks, bye.